Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan Rissica and I am a fashion, sometimes beauty, and lifestyle vlogger, and today I have a Colourpop package with the Frozen 2 eyeshadow palette, and I believe it's the Elsa lipstick. So I am so excited to try this look out and kind of give you a little Elsa Christmassy holiday session vibe with this eyeshadow palette. So before we get started, I'm going to unbox this, show you the packaging, do some swatches on my hands, and then I'm just going to do a quick look with the eyeshadow in my bathroom. So let's get started with the unboxing. So Colourpop's packaging always just like blows me away. Like, it's just so cute and it's so affordable. It has like really good options for people if you're looking for like kind of trendy makeup items. Like, Colourpop is your spot. I'm actually wearing their foundation. I think it's called Stay Matte. I'm not 100% sure, but this foundation is $12. I got it on sale for $10, and it's full coverage. I love it. Like, it stays on my face all day. Don't really have to do any prepping. It's so pretty, and it, like I said, I bought it online, so I was like, I don't know how this is gonna look, but I love it. So it's on my face right now, and like, yes, I use a beauty light, but I feel like in person, my makeup looks so smooth and like clean, which is really cool. Anyway, back to the Frozen 2 collection. So they always like wrap their packaging so nice. So this must be the lipstick. This is the outside of the packaging with Elsa on it, and this is called Little Snow. So there's that. And then let's open this up. I'm gonna put this packaging aside because it's crinkling all over. All right, so here is the palette. It says Disney's Frozen 2. It's a pressed powder palette. This is the Elsa palette. So again, this is just the packaging on the outside. It's really, really pretty. All right, so let's get to swatching. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the lipstick first. So the color is Little Snow. It's a cream lipstick. Let me show you the packaging. It's really, really pretty. I like the kind of shine to it with the snowflakes. All right, so now we're gonna get to swatching just so you can see. Here's the color of the lipstick. Has never been used before. It's like a red color, so let me swatch it on my hand for you. All right, so this is the color on my hand. It's almost like a berry red, but not too dark. Like, you could definitely use this for like an everyday look, but that is so, so pretty. I'm excited to use this in my everyday look. So again, here's the packaging, here's the swatch. It looks really nice. So now let's get started with the eyeshadow palette. All right, so here is the palette with pretty little Elsa on there. It's got some like glitter and shine to it. Hopefully that picks up on the camera. It has 9 shades. So let's open it up. There's plastic. Let's take that off. Comes with plastic here. This is the palette up close. So they have like some brighter colors that maybe aren't for every day, but maybe for like a winter look, but they are really pretty and they can be used for every day. So I'm going to do some swatches on my hands, and I will show you what they all look like and kind of color payoff and all of that fun stuff. So the first color I'm going to swatch on my hand is called Cuddle Close. So let's see. So let's see here. It almost looks like it has some like pink to it. So this is Cuddle Close. It's like a white shine, and it looked like super dusty, but it's actually really pretty, and one little swatch did pretty good. The next color is Fire. So let's put that on my hand next to it. And this is kind of like a mauve-y color. All right, this is Fire. Not really, again, I don't want to like put too much, but so that's Fire. Again, like it's an everyday look. It's not like super dark. The next color is Northern Lights. This one's dusty feeling too. That's the best way to describe it. So this is Northern Lights. And it looks really nice with that fire color. Look, it's right there. It's super sparkly. Maybe that's why it looks dusty, but it looks really pretty with this. Actually, all these colors look good together. So the next color I'm going to swatch, I believe it says Gale. Something to note about this is that the shade font is really hard to read, so it may take me a second to figure out what it actually says. So I'm pretty sure this says Gale. I hope. Maybe it says Kyle. I have no clue. But the next shade is Gale. It is this one right here. And here it is on my hand. I feel like it looks really similar to the other shades. It's kind of like a red sparkle. This next one is Flurry right here, and it's like white and crystally. So let's see. It's just like straight up glitter. I'm not even gonna swatch this because I just put my hand in it and it like exploded. This is it on my finger. Sorry guys. So that is it on my finger. I don't know how this is gonna work. Ooh. So if you just want like some straight up glitter action, this is it. That is really pretty. It actually looks like ice crystals or like snow. Hopefully you can see it on my hand. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. But it like in the palette, it just like exploded everywhere, which we don't want that. It's like super loose, so this must be like, I don't know if it's supposed to be that loose though, like glitter is everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe this all off because Flurry glitter just got all over everything. All right, so we're recovered from Flurry glitter, but it's all over my hands. Like I tried to wipe it up with a makeup remover and it is just all over. So I'm just gonna be glittery all day. The next shade is Water. It's this blue color right here. Let's try it out. Ooh, that's very pretty. Here it is. Sorry again for the glitter everywhere, but that is Flurry. The color payoff is pretty good. Oh, I'm sorry. The shade is Water, not Flurry. Again, this one is not supposed to be glittery, but it is because of Flurry everywhere. All right, the next shade is Awaken. This is like a maroon with glitter. I have a feeling it's gonna look pretty similar to all of the other shades that I have just already put on today. Oh no, this one's actually really nice too. Let's try that. So that is Awaken. This is a little bit of a darker red color than the other ones that were more like a light maroon, but that's really, really pretty. All right, I'm a little bit scared for this next shade. It's Ice Crystals, and I hope that it's not as like, ooh. Ah! So let's do Ice Crystals next to, what shade was that? Water. This is such a pretty silver. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love this shade. I really like it. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna have to wipe my hands off. Oh, well, no, I'll just use my pinky. We have one more to go, and that is Spindrift. I think that's what it says. It is this one right here. Again, like another red. It looks really similar to the Awaken to me, but I'll put it next to it to see. Oh no, this is like even darker. So there it is. So that's Awakened, and that is Spindrift, I think is what it says. So that is really pretty, just like a deep, almost maroon color. So pretty. All right, so now that I've basically ruined the pan, I can show you what it looks like after my swatches. That Flurry scares me because it is straight glitter, so be aware you just don't want to like dip your finger in it. I think if I dip my brush into it, it's gonna like explode everywhere too. So I'm gonna remove the makeup all over my hands, and I'm going to just go into my bathroom, take you along with me, and just do a quick look with this to kind of show you how to wear it every day. I mean, I'm not really wearing an everyday outfit, but I really want to try out the product to see how it looks on my eye. Like, swatching is one thing, but I'd really like to show you a look with my eyes. All right, so we have changed the locations. We are currently in my bathroom, but I'm gonna get started. I'm just going to kind of do this in fast motion and show you how I kind of do my makeup and kind of my vision for this palette today. I have to run errands, so this isn't gonna be like a loud look, you could say, but I do want to use the products, so here we go. Okay, so remember how I said I was gonna do an everyday look with this palette? Well, that idea went out the door when I started playing with it, and I was having like a lot of fun with the colors. I went obviously a little more glammy, glittery, and red than I ever intended to do, but I'm gonna get a little bit closer here so you can see how it looks. That flurry shade scares me. It gets everywhere. That's why I licked the brush to try to have some control around my eye area. This maybe would not be fun to get it in your eyes, just in my opinion. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fashion, lifestyle vlogs with my husband and I, and hopefully more makeup. I love makeup, but it's not something that, how do I want to explain this? It's not something that I do a lot of tutorials and things like that, because I just do everyday looks. I'm not really a super glam person in everyday life. So again, this look is more fun than typical, and I do have to go out of the house today, and well, I'm just gonna leave it. It'll be fine. So again, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait for more holiday content to come. It's gonna be so much fun. Thank you.